Hi, this is Easy Chinese and I'm Jenny. Today I'm going to introduce you more essential words before we're able to make a sentence. These three characters, their pronunciations quite similar. Also their functions are similar. This first one, left part, remember we have learned by the color white or means daytime. This side means spoon, actually, look at the shape. And the pronunciation for this half is shao. Together, this character can have three pronunciations. Depends on where and how you're going to use it. For example, when it pronounced as de, the fourth tone means target, and we have a phrase say 有的放矢 有 we have learned. Have the target. Once you have the target, you release your arrow. This is from the Asian, the bow and arrow from this image. Fang means release, leash out the arrow when you have the target. This occasion, the pronunciation is di, but when I say 我的书 my book, so it's kind of interjection word. If you say my book, just add this character, but here the pronunciation is de. 我的目的 see, because they are put it a different the position. 我的 means my target, my purpose. So here pronunciation de, here is di. So remember, when its pronunciation is de, always a noun followed it. Noun followed de. The third pronunciation is the second tone. Di. Di means it is true. So there is a word, it's like 的确, 确 means confirm, true. So 的确 means it is true. Let's talk about this word. 土也地. Remember we have learned together means the earth. Remember there is a famous book. The name is The Good Earth. In Chinese we translate it into 大地 or 土地 means the earth, or 地球, 球 means a ball, a globe. Together means the globe. The planet we are living on is the earth. So when it has the proper meaning, the pronunciation is di. But when it is a structural word, it also is a light sound. 快快地跑. 快 means fast. 快快地跑 means run. Fast run. So when you use this, the structural word, the difference is this one followed by the noun. This one followed by the verb. See, eat, run. So in front of the verb, you need to use this structural word instead of this one. Here the third character, also the pronunciation is very similar, has two pronunciations. One is the second tone, de, and another one is the light tone. When it is second tone, it has the proper meaning. Some like 得到, 获得. 得 always means you receive. But when you use it like as a structured word, it also, the tone, the pronunciation is a light tone. See the common between these three characters, when it is a structured word, it's always the light tone. When you use this character, the verb is in front of this character and the adverb is followed. Instead of, if we say 快快地跑, we have to use this character. If you describe a person run fast, you can say 他跑得快. 跑得快. So here you have to use this the. We have try to help you to remember 白小地土野地得到. This character, the pronunciation is also a light tone. 知 it is the top, remember, is the goat or the sheep. But when it's particle, this stroke from a shu turns to pier, and the lower part is the I. So together it is a structural word describe ongoing situation. For example, we say 看着我 look at me 我. So me in Chinese also is the same character as I 我 看着我 他 he is looking at me 他看着我 他正吃着饭呢 他吃着 he is eating his meal. The last word, the character na, this is kind of exclamation word, always put at the end of the sentence. Sometimes when it's a question, you also put at the end of the sentence. If someone asks you, how are you today? You say 好着呢. It means very good. Let's learn another word. This one is very simple. On the top is mouth and 一撇 ina. On the lower part, this is the simplified version. The pronunciation, there are two pronunciations actually. One is 知 zhi, third tone. When it is third tone, it means only. When it is the first tone, 知, it call it a measure word, 一只鸡. So when you say 只 means only, and you can form a sentence, 林中只有一只鸟. It means 林, remember we have learned the woods or forest. 中 means center or inside. Means inside the woods there is only one bird, 一只鸟. This character on the top is like a person and the lower part is the cloud. Remember, 云 can have two pronunciations. One is 会, the false tone. Another one is 快. It comes from this shape. This in the middle there's something, and from top and the bottom you have a cover. You cover it like this. Originally means meet the end. the traditional way is like this, and this is the simplified way. And when its pronunciation is 会, it actually has three meanings. First one, if we say 他会唱歌, remember 唱歌 means sing. He can sing. This means he can do something. We can say 他会跳舞, he can dance. He can cook. 他会做饭. 他会踢球. Play football. And second occasion, 会, when you say 他今天会来, he will come today. Will. Future. Something will happen. 会来. The third occasion, when it pronounced as 会, means meeting. 会议 together means meeting, a meeting. There is only one occasion for this character. The pronunciation is 快, the false tone. It means accountant. 会计, 计 means you note, note on something. And 会计 together means accountant. This character also has two pronunciations. One is 音, another one is 应. 点横撇 广, this character means 广, broad. And then 点撇横. When its pronunciation is 音 means you shall or should. They always, these two characters put together. 应该, 该. 点横竖提点横撇折撇撇点该. 应该 means should. For example, if you say 你应该做饭, you should cook. When the false tone, when the pronunciation, the false tone, it is only one occasion, means answer. And 应答, they always put these two together. This two character together means answer. 应答. This character, word, 言, 一安言, second tone. It comes from this image. This is your mouse, and this is a music instrument. You blow in this instrument, make sounds. Originally means make sound. So then this one is a radical for many characters related to talk, but it simplified, when it's a radical, it's simplified like this. For example, 说话. See, all have this radical. This together means talk. Yeah, we will learn it later, but I just let you know this is a radical for many words, which means talk, speech. And when we put this radical, remember this one means you walk. It means here. The pronunciation, this is the simplified version, and this is the traditional version, means here. The pronunciation is 这. Simplified version is just 点横撇捺点横折横折捺. This character means there. 那 na, the false tone. 那里 means there. 这里 means here. Originally, 那 means far away. It was a name of a place in the west of China, far away. Somehow it's like a Middle East of currently the Middle East area. So there was a place called Na, 横折钩横横撇横折弯钩竖 Na, there, 那里 Look, if we put a mouse left side of na, this character is a new character. Pronunciation is na, na. So when it is na, pronunciation is na, always in the used as a question sentence. For example, if you say 他在哪儿, especially in Beijing, people would add 儿 in the end. Where is he? 他在哪儿? Pronunciation is 几. When it means how many, its pronunciation is 几. So if you ask how many people, we say 几个人. See, the measure word is 个. But if you ask how many chicken, you say 几只鸡. Or how many bird, you also say 几只鸟. Let's learn a few more very important characters for today. Well, wherever you go or whenever you need to fill in a form, they will always ask you a name. So these characters is very important, these two characters. 姓, seeing, sing means last name. Remember, 女, this part means women. 生 means gave birth. Women gave birth. Together means last name, 姓. 明, remember this means evening. Plus a mouse below means your first name. 姓名, together your whole name. Next question, always like, what's your gender? 姓, same as the pronunciation as your last name, 姓. But the radical, this side, remember, comes from this heart, birth. This one means sex or gender, either male or female. 性别 means difference, gender difference. Let's learn the last two characters for today. 横, 竖, 横. Pronunciation is 弓. Comes from this image. It was a tool, actually, with a sharp blade like this. This is the handler. So the pronunciation is 弓. It's always related to the work. 工具 means tool. 做, this character with the radical, person radical. This side comes from this image. See, this is the V-shaped collar. In the past, the Chinese traditional clothes, the collar is always like this V-shape. And this is the stitches. Stitches, the people doing the stitching on the collar means 做, 支吾握做 also means work. We like to put these two characters which has the same meaning together, also means work or job. For example, if I say 我的工作是 means is, right? 我的工作是律师 my job is a lawyer, legal profession. 工具 means tool. Let's recap what we have learned today. When they are the interjection word or structural word, they always pronounce light tone. D, d, d. But when they pronounce differently, it means different thing. D means the target. D means indeed, true. D means the earth. D means receive. Zh, another light tone, means ongoing situation. Hui means you can do something, you will do something, or meeting. Kuai means accountant, 会计. Zhi means one, or zhi means only. Yan means sound or talk, word. Zhe, here. Na, there. Na, where. Ji, how many. Or ji means and table. Gong, tool or work. Zuo, work. Gong zuo, together means a job. Xing, last name. Ming, first name. Xing Ming together means your name. Xing, gender, sex. Bie, difference. Xing bie means your gender. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe if you like it, and also to check my website easychinese.com. There are many great things there. My courses and many articles about China, and also I uploaded some recipes, Chinese food recipes and products, all those things. Until next time, bye-bye.